a lighter shot. Barkowski to pounce down. And it looks like, yeah, they're celebrating a goal here after that net got pushed back. He had to get it away from the Wolverines. Now back over to Peters and Toth at the corner. Trying to guide that puck in, and it's in. Waywayseecappo Wolverines with their second goal here, first this period. And bring that into OCN territory. Now back in defensive, another shot. And another goal. Going right up, dumping another puck into the net. Over to Tataryn. Wolverines picking the puck up into OCN territory and dumping that up Barkowski. A goal during a power play opportunity for the Wolverines. Could have Anthog taking a shot that goes over the side. Another goal by the Waywayseecappo Wolverines. Wolverines pick that away. Gill slapping it up a little higher with the stick, slowing it down nonetheless. And another goal from the Wolverines as Pina just outside of the net, nowhere to be found. Tataryn makes his way up. And another goal on your OCN Blizzard. That's another goal. And lined up a shot at Pina, and he pounces. The puck wasn't there. Apparently it's 9-0 now. Whether it's 8-0 or 9-0, we're now 10-0. Back over to the Wolverines. And they line it up in front of Pino to the side, and another goal with 40 seconds left. Clock, but it's saying 2. Either way, that's your result tonight.